Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download an Animoto video. After creating a video in Animoto, the final step is to download it so you can save it to your device or share it online. Downloading lets you keep a high quality copy of your video representation, social media, or personal use, and in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to download your Animoto video. So first, open to your Animoto app and log into your Animoto account using your email and password. And from the dashboard, you can find the video you want to download. Tap on the bottom left corner that says your video, and over here what you can do is you need to select your one of the video and make sure your video is completely finished, including all the edits, text, images, and music before downloading. And once you open your completed video project, you can look for the download button at the bottom. And after that, next you can choose the video quality you want. Free Animoto accounts include watermark, while paid accounts allow watermark-free videos. You can also select the resolution like standard definition or high definition depending on how you want your video to be. And after that, Animoto will process your video, and this may take a few moments depending on its length. A progress indicator will show you when the video is ready, and once download is complete, your video will be saved to your device and you can check it on your download folder. And this is it. This is how you can download an Animoto video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions or query about it, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.